Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my southern style catfish. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have about 2 pounds of catfish fillet here that I've went ahead and I washed and I've dried. So to this you want to add a cup of buttermilk. And I'm going to add in some hot sauce. Now, I normally use Frank's hot sauce, but today I'm going to be using this because it has that spicy kick, and I really like the flavor of this on fish. So to this, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of this hot sauce. I'm also going to add just a few cranks of pepper and some salt. Now we're just going to mix this up. And we're going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Okay guys, so it's been 4 hours and our catfish is finished marinating. So in this bowl, I've put 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And I'm just going to mix this up together. Now to this, I'm going to add a few seasonings. Here I have seasoning salt, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this in to our dry mixture. If you want some extra spice, you can go ahead and add some cayenne pepper to this as well. So now what you want to do is take your fish out. You want to drain off as much as that liquid as possible. Just like this. And you want to go ahead and dredge it in your flour. And you want to pat that flour into your fish like that. Just so you're making sure you're getting a nice coating on your fish. And when you take your fish out, you want to shake off as much of that flour mixture as possible. So I'm going to set this off to the side and I'm going to continue to flour our fish. Now that I have my first batch of fish all ready to go, we're going to take this over to the stove to fry up. Okay guys, so I see bubbles on our chopstick, so I'm going to go ahead and add our first fillet in. Now you just want to go back and forth with your fillet before you drop it. Do a second one. Drop it. Now you want to leave these to cook until they're nice golden brown. Okay guys, so as you can see, our fish is nice and golden brown. So I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side to drain. And here's our second piece ready to come out. I'm gonna finish cooking up the rest of my catfish, and I'll be back to let you guys see what it looks like. So I just wanted to get a piece of this fish for you guys up close so you guys can actually see inside of this fish. And you can see how it's crispy on the outside and it's nice and juicy and flaky on the inside. And it tastes so good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay guys, so here is our fish up close. Look at that, guys. So crispy, but so soft and flaky and juicy inside. Okay guys, that's how I make my southern style catfish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.